and you can see behind, this is my roof. So because sunrise, it's sunrise and this time, so because actually this is my uh, native look, but actually I am learning English and improving my English journey. So do one thing, guys. You are very interested in English. Uh, you are do you want to learn English? So very interested, please join me. And this channel is only for beginners, who people's the want to learn English. So please join me. And this is the join. And because actually I am about to go take a bath. And because actually someone taking bathing at this time, so after that I will take bath. Because and this is the morning time, so very suitable time. Because guys, actually I'm telling you, because actually today is a very cold, so feeling is very cold and this time. So actually I did not get the wearings my jacket. So but actually wind is blowing and this time, so very cold. Wow, so nice. But actually weather, so pleasant weather today. So because so many people's wanderings and surrounding and in this group. So because sunrise, and because actually uh, even then, so I will speak and improving and these days. Actually so guys, so I want to enhance my English in my future. But actually whenever I get chance for learn English, because actually guys, I have a lot's responsibility. Because actually I don't give more time for speaking. But even then I get chance, so I make video and these days, because actually I'm learning and these days. So guys, you are very interested, please join me. So guys, if you want to learn English, and this is very simple, and please, and uh, you should listen English speaker, and then you will speak. This is the main point, guys. Mainly main point I would like to say you that this is the listening power, the first power, and second power the speaking power, and two, and you will have to the focus only two whereas for you. And first listen, then speak. And you will have to focus only two ways. And this is a very important guide for you, and you should practice and every day. Because guys, actually I'm learning, and I'm learning and practicing and these days. Because actually I don't have any idea for speaking English, but even then I will speak English. But actually this time, so very happy. And nowadays I'm learning as well, so doing. And this time, so you can see a lot things, and hoodens and bicycles, there a lot things in the put on the road. So whatever you have vocabularies, and you should practice and every day. Because improving your English soon in your life. So do you want things, actually my native speaker, please you can join me, and you can ask any questions, and please comment below. And this, and you haven't subscribed my channel, please keep it subscribe my channel, so that you will get notifications. That actually today is very happy. So I would like to show you everything here. So because actually I'm so guys, this is the main is a focus, and vocabularies enhance in your future. But you should practice a lot's time in your life. Because so guys, this is the manually focus only the listening, and second focus only speaking. Whatever whenever you started your English speaking, the whatever your so a lot's mistake whenever you started your English speaking, a lot's mistake in your English. But don't worry, don't think over anything else. actually whenever you start your speaking English, a lot's mistake and grammar mistake, vocabularies mistake, and don't think and don't take tension, don't panic, and you should practice and every day whatever you have the wrong, no problem. But actually whenever you start your English, so actually a lot's mistake. Actually, I am also the a lot's mistake while speaking English. But actually, I don't think anything else. This is actually this time the beginner, actually the starting time. Whenever it's starting time, so a lot's mistake while the speaking English. But don't worry. So actually, only focus the speaking and actually English language and the put on the your tongue, and then so 1 month 3 month and continue speaking, and I hope that you will speak in your future and properly your vocabulary is the improve your absolutely. Please believe me guys, and please I hope that you will understand. Please subscribe my channel Speak English with Anil. So guys, actually I'm going to take a shower because actually I don't have more time for make video. So because actually I have to go to my duty times, because there is a lot's responsibility I have. But actually we will meet you the next video guys. Please take care, goodbye, good luck, and I hope that you will find on this time. So bye bye guys, I love you so much, my beginners, my listeners. So thank you so much for the watching me, and you haven't subscribed my channel, please keep it subscribe my channel so that you will get notification and for the new video. Bye bye guys, love you so much, bye bye.